So, so we are live. Came a bit early today. Yep. Yeah. Everything is working fine. And we just updated. We just updated. Let me check whether live is actually live or not. Whether it's live. Yeah, we are live. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, Tyson. Just go through some settings here. You just share this in Discord and my other for sure. So that some more people can join. Please do subscribe, guys. If anyone is watching it, it's the market open. We have a lot of time. We can analyze everything slowly and take off trades. What is that? It's done. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. We did, let me just put it in Instagram. Created Instagram. So let's start. What do we have? Let me see how many viewers we are right now. Please, we need five to start analyzing. Let's target for price at least. What's up? How's it going? Tattoo, tattoo, bro. You're my man, bro. You're G. You attend every day. You attend all the live streams of mine. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. So coming to the indices, two people joined. Okay, so now I think I can just start with just indices and all just an overview of everything. Let's go take this. Analyzing it from indices first. So we have this one stage, first of all. Very yes, very basic, very simple. Here, if you see, we have this one stage. So it will be so good if we got this two stage with YM. Let me check. Let me check. Maybe we got it. Okay. So basically we have this one stage and we have this two stage lows remaining here. Daily time frame equal lows here. No worries, bro. Thank you so much. People, I don't know why people are not joining, but The thing is that I'm just, giving away free trades every day. I don't know why people are not staying on live stream, but yeah, it's on them. Let me do my work. That's what I can do. So we have this two stage at the reversal. You see, look at the YM. We have PSP as well here. We have this two stage. We have this clean lows down here. I think we are going to flush a little bit more on indices. Okay, so coming to the 4 hour. Now the thing is, we need to check whether we set the high or low for the. That's the thing. Let me do. Is that? What's that? Audience. What's this? We have a new viewer created with Iron Man. Iron Man and Spider Man watching our live stream. Thanks so much. If you have any subscriber, I need to add that notification thing if anyone subscribes, they can see their, you know, names on the screen. I don't know how to do that, but we'll do that as well. Okay, what I was talking here is we need to check whether the high of this daily candle is set or not. So how are we going to do that? Just simply drop down to the 4 hour and check whether we have any crack in correlation here as well. So if you see, did we clear this high? Question. Kind of, but not yet. It's relative equal highs. We check it in yes. Mm, but yet, but we can consider this, or at least like we can consider this in stage continuation. Yeah. Okay, and we also have this down low candle as well. So let's see. We have these lows in yes and Q as well. So let's see if we get the 10 a.m. and dump lower happening in 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour PSP is higher. The problem is this is not a proper displacement, as you guys can see. Don't think so. Like look at this weeks, look at this weeks, look at this weeks. It's not at all a best displacement, I would say. Look at the low resistance liquidity built down here, and up here. So we just now cleared this low. So we might enter a new phase of price delivery. We might get some retracement, and after the 10 a.m. open, we can say we can anticipate whether we got manipulated this low and then reversing from here, or else we are straight away pushing lower. According, it depends on the how this current 4 hour candle will close. So we're going to wait and watch what's gonna happen. Yesterday, day after yesterday, we had a back-to-back banker trades. As soon as we entered, we got a TP in a couple of minutes. That's it. Let's see, guys. Do we have any news today? Guys, we have any news today? 8:30 we had PPI already cleared. No news after PPI. So that's good. Is 8:30? Wait, look at this guy. This was the news timing PPI. I know it PPI will not affect much, but yeah, I was expecting some kind of, aggressive weak candle or something like that. But it's not at all anything. So we might get some good setups in NQ. We cleared that. My bad. In it. The problem here is until unless we close this 6 a.m. candle, this draw should not be get cleared. It's a problem. If we clear this draw very soon, then I don't know whether we'll be seeing more setups for that. Price might enter a new phase of price delivery and then just chop around. वो भी हो सकता है. That can happen. But yeah, nice, nice. Why was looking so good? Lows equal lows down. But again, not my time to take trade, so just staying away. Hey, go to the gold. Nothing much. We had these two stages today in Delhi. So that's the reason we are a little bit pumping higher today. So again, gold looks like okay, we are gonna get good setups here in gold until unless we are going to clear this high. So as this is a daily time frame, I think we have a lot of time to engage from here to here in our time frame. Into the 4 hour, wait, looking for the there is high way back in silver. We are still pumping. Okay. So this is interesting here in silver and gold, but again, I'm gonna stay bullish on gold today. I want this gap to be formed in Mandar and then some kind of American correlation or anything, and then push higher, something like this. Let's see. This is a plan. When I look at the weekly point of view in Delhi, to the Monday. Tuesday set the low of the week. Wednesday expanded. Thursday consolidated with crack and correlation. Okay, with this crack and correlation. And yeah, and now we might get expansion today as well. Friday. Early, what do you say that? Early setting, early, we are setting the low very early here, like on Tuesday, inside of this gap here. So yeah, we can push, but let's see. Gold is doing good setups lately. Coming to the daily in oil. Let it load, come on. Again, mm, mm, need some rest. Bro. So coming to the daily indices in oil, we have this two stage HO. We cleared this high again. So that's a bit trickier, but let's see how we are going to have today. Today is 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. Okay, again we have this Kraken correlation, and we had a good expansion all day for this Kraken correlation. Again, if you want to trade in oil or anything, uh, I think it's best to go with H4 right now, as much as I'm seeing at the chart. Chart is showing me data in Q. Will flip total flip from that swing point here, as I mentioned. So this was the reason I usually wait when when somewhere we met a draw. We're not going to just stay away from it. Not going to touch it or unless it completes the another phase, for example, consolidation or retracement. If it completes the retracement, we can continue with the by trading that reversal with drawn liquidity. So if it is stuck into a range or consolidation, again we are going to wait for it to complete that accumulation, and then we can look for trades with confirmation with other confirmations as well. So just once a draw is met, just sit back and watch the chart, what's going to happen, and based on what's market showing you, you're going to react. You never plan anything in advance, like today is going to be this, today is going to be that. Okay, just stick to the plan. Market will show you a plan. You have to analyze it. You have to see. You have to you know figure it out how it works for you, and then take some risk. It is that's it. Market is same for everyone who are all trading here. Okay? If you fail, then it's you, not the market. So just try to analyze nicely and then wait, have patience, and then you can take trades. Then guys, then let me check my Discord people. Mm, pretty much in Discord. Yeah, meet a lot of people trading today. I don't know why. What do we have in gold here? It's how they make people. 6 p.m. was is the only thing we have is SPSP. I don't know whether we should consider it or not. Sure. Anything else, guys? If you have any, guys have any doubts, yeah, let me go through the oil. I think I no, I want to explain the oil as well. Yeah, clearing out these highs. We didn't even get yesterday entry on 10 a.m. because there's no week at all 10 a.m. So it's not safe at all to trade 10 a.m. candle. So we're having this continuation one stage. At least 4 hour to complete. For watching, guys, make sure to hit that like. Make sure to hit like and wait. Can do that's the only thing we can do till 10 a.m. Nothing else to do. Just wait till 10 a.m. and see what you got on the market. Let me just on my ETA. Yep. So, guys. No, why people are not joining yet. Really, we used to have around like 6 to 7 viewers at this time. What? What? You cleared these highs though. Here and HO, both of them cleared this high. Let's go with the RB. Check RB. What's going on in RB? RB was just chopping. I think this is some kind of retracement, and then we might turn and push higher in RB. Check what I look at that. If you go at any kind of one stage or two stage, but this area we can anticipate the higher price till. But we need that confirmation to trade it again. Higher side continuation side. So let's see the daily. Hmm. It is looking good though. That this C2 closure, C3, but we are inside of C3. It should expand a little bit more. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Look at this. C2 closure to stage with previous stage. Yeah, we might push higher. Just need some kind of confirmation to. Okay, another next 15 minutes. So we are having this new stage here, like in another 2 minutes. If we didn't take this high in ES, it is the problem here is like if we close this candle in another 2 minutes, the next 15 minutes might dump down straight. So let me get it there. Let's see. But indices are looking little bit good. So what did happen here? Look at this. What a good expansion pre-market. Cleared the low. Entered the new phase of price delivery. Got retracement. And we are getting some kind of reversal now. So how will you confirm that it's a reversal? So we have a Kraken correlation here. If you see, we haven't yet got because we have another 30 seconds, but I hope we might get this Kraken correlation and then we can continue lower. So we have two charts, like we have two assets here. So which one we are going to participate in? I think I'm going to go with ES or YM. Okay, let me check YM as well because NQ is looking a bit stronger to me. So look at this YM, bro. YM is just straight over dumping. So I don't think so. We are going to get any entry in YM. So I'm going to stick with ES and NQ for now. So let it set the high of the day. Sorry, not day. My bad. Let it set the high of 10 a.m. and then we can for lower prices. Indices is looking good. Gold looking good. We need a 10 a.m. A low to be set first. So this should be. Let's consider. Okay, we have this medication block here. Plus, we had this inversion gap on that left side of the leg. So like as both meet at the same point, I think this is a better key level to consider. So either we need a tap inside of this, either we need some kind of pattern correlation. We might we might have the silver if you see. Look at this. Look at this PSP. But if we clear at least in a gold, this will be so good. That will be a two stage again, so we can take a better trades, I think. But let's see. As I anticipated, we formed a gap here. So let's see how we are going to get transaction on this point. So okay, so might end up not getting reversal, or we might get these two stages as well, something like this, and we can trade lower. But if we clear this high, then again we need to wait a little bit more. So we don't need to worry. We have other assets to trade. So yeah, this stick to our plan, stick to our stick to our strategy, I would say. Yes, he is looking good. So we get some kind of change in state of delivery here. Might think of taking something like this. What kind of thing like this? Yeah, I don't think so whether we will get it or not. Yeah, that high, clear that high. Okay, I think is everything is clear here. So not much, to be honest. We cleared these highs as well. So where do we? Yeah, we do have this though. We have that pattern correlation still with ES inside of this gap. Okay, bro, I'll definitely check it. I'll check all the DMs though. Okay, Putya, I think where are you from, bro? I think I heard of this name. One of my I heard this name a lot. Putya Ankit, not Ankit, Putya in my hometown. So I was asking where is you get this C2, then we can hold over prices. Yes, it's looking good though. Sorry, came on a wrong asset. Shit, give me not 3 months. Okay, but thank you has better draw down here. We need a Kraken correlation. We need some alerts in here and look for the other assets instead of wasting our time. Okay, nothing much in gold yet. Even if even if we even if we are just hopping around, we have to have some kind of information. It is slow to be taken first, and then let me just keep it here. Let me just have it here. What about here? Right away. Ah, one more. Very difficult to reverse from these kind of areas. Very difficult to reverse from these kind of areas. Like you see, we don't have any key level here to reverse off of. So Not in RB at least. We have this Waverly cap here. We haven't yet got a tap, I think. Yeah. So yeah. Try to pin RTY. SMT with NQ on market open. Only 15 minutes. 10 minutes CST. Nice, bro. Yeah, yeah. I saw that. I saw the your DM, but not your DM, but your name. In notification, but I saw it. I thought to, reply after the live stream. So even I am from Karnataka, bro. I'm asking the proper district, which district you belong to. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಅಂತ. When we are having some, you know, some stuff for our people, native people, Kannadigas. Hmm, something interesting. Thank you, and yes, we don't even have any correlation. Oh, this is but I want to check whether 4 hour. Sorry. I want to check whether 4 hour. Okay, we can say that we manipulated this low with uh, kind of information. So we had this here, the gold pumping higher. There is cracking correlation. PSP down here. Okay, we might get this CST in gold, or else we need to wait for something like we form this gap and then push higher something like this, or else we might end up getting this entry itself. A nice 2 hour trade though. But I don't know whether we are going to get that pullback or not. Whether okay. Okay, bro. We'll talk about that. 16 years, no worries, bro. Age is just a number, if you ask me. Because I got 17-year-old boy in my mentorship, so he's making good stuff. Nothing to do with age. The only problem we are going to have is a bank account, maybe. Yeah. If, yeah. If we miss it, then no need to worry. Just if you miss it, we miss it. There's nothing we can do. Okay, so even in 5 minutes, like okay, we are coming back. We clear this high. Very low. Let's see what this. Let's see what 30-minute candles are doing. 30 minutes way to closure. Yeah, doing beautiful. Give me a second, guys. I'm on a call. I got some important call to do. So we are back. Come on, we need this gap to be formed and then we can enter, keeping our steps at the body. Maybe getting to what. This is the only thing we can do right now. We have this gap here. So we are not going to chase it. So if it comes back and backs us, that's so good. Not, then staying away. So that's my limit there. Here. Yes. Yeah, so it's going to adjust this thing like that. And let us take it three, maybe. We might have three. How much we are risking? Yeah, of course. See here, going to the indices. What do we have? Then I'll to close with ESP. Then not proper displacement of here. Yeah, we have to use that. Oh, elders, bro. Even I used to do that. Morning. RB, SMP fair, and there's a two-stage PSP in HO. What would you think of longs? Yeah, even I was thinking longs on oil. Okay, so we have entry. Oh, when I was thinking longs on RP, but this was looking fishy to me, to be honest. But what do you say? We what are for? Yeah, we do have this though. RB is looking good though. We do have this. Nothing. 10 minute, 10 minutes with HO, right? Take HO. Yeah, HO is looking good. It's looking good. Oh, HO is looking good. Name open. Yeah. So do we have? Yeah, we got failed. Let's see. I don't know why. Why did we dump that like suddenly on this? I don't know. But let's see. We might end up. We might don't need to worry. We had a straight 3 days winning streak, so winning 3 to 4 days winning streak. So and pick up some good trades here as well right now. Uh, Ruby and oil are looking so good. Can I move on? Set the low 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute is looking kind of good though. Yeah. Let's see if we get anything on this 3 minute candle. Here, here we had this, 3 minute open. I think, yeah, that's a 10-15 open there. 3 minute open, straight down, setting the low, maybe. Then we might push higher. Let's see if we can do that. See, I see as well. I wanted it to, immediately rebalance this level. You have not to take another 2 to 3 candles to do that. So, maybe let it chill. Okay, let's chill out there. It is nation of that. Again, let me see whether this is again my stop loss. This thing, stop loss mistake or anything like that. Let me see. Let's consider the head stop loss on the week instead of 40. NQ, NQ, NQ. Pushing back lower, maybe. Yeah, HO is the stronger right now. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's see what what to do. Had a good displacement in ES though. Had this change it of the level here. Let's see if we get this. It changes it of the level in Q. So we can push higher. Raw, come on, bro. Go. Don't do this myself. Either make it totally wrong or make it totally right. Don't take my sudden then don't do what people. Is it a name open? It's like yeah. Improvements need to be done. Those should be set by a higher time frame. Did we set this low in a higher time frame? No. Again, that's a little bit tricky there. Did we set this low in higher time frame? 15 minutes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, it will go then. It is protected low. Hyper will protect its swing low. It's the higher time frame. Not corresponding to this hmm, candles. So long seen RTY for 3 minutes available. RTY, RTY. Wait, bro, let me just check this. So it's looking good. Can we engage in 1 minute in it? So this can again. Problem is let's see. Yeah, it's actually good. Very very good it is. Right. Check this out. Just try this out. See, because I don't think so. The 3 minute will give that full like max we are going to get is this. I think. Let's see. I mean, indices are looking good as well. So, check. Come on. Let me check. Let me check this volume. RTY. Okay. I don't use RTY much, but kind of looking good, I would say. But I trade rarely on one minute candle. Very rarely on 1 minute candle. Very rarely on 1 minute chart. And this is looking good. Don't pop out. US entry. Then you can print this link here. Whoa, we have that for this thing there. Or a block kind of. Just drop in and keep oil bro. Look at that. Hmm. Come on, buddy. You need to push higher, not lower. And the problem with this thing here is it? Yeah, is. The negative condition here, not getting the changing state. No. Problem with this here is we can't test directly to an shortage to the bearish side. We need some kind of at least C2 closure. Yeah. We can trade C3, sorry. We can trade C3 down. Yeah. But we do have two stage though. We do have two stage. Nice. Beautiful. Thank you. It's looking good. Now, HO just sitting around there. Come on. What the fuck? What three losses? They want to take straight three losses today. Come on, actually. Don't take our SL. I saw it, bro. I saw it. I saw it. Gold. Chopping around. Indices. Shown that sign of pushing lower, but not yet. We have this intercandle change. What do we say? Dragon correlation. This hard angle dragon correlation. What's the time? 10:27. Let's see. We might end up with this once again. Yes, we might push higher as well because this low is set by a high time frame, 15-minute candle. So I think that should be protected. It should stay protected. Yes, taking loss on Fridays is okay for me. After making the 4 days of profits, I would go with it's going on with oil. Mistake I did is I switched to 1 minute. It's a mistake. It's about year and there's no use of just holding the loss. And I'm looking at it. Open it up. You can engage the next 30-minute candle. But then we are in a range. Look at the series of candles. This is like I think cut code. Okay. Not just $50 right? Hitting. Okay. Now we are done. Now we are done. We are done. Maybe 10:30. 10:30. That's right. Supply demand should work. I had this is a supply. Oh, this is a demand and this is a supply. Let's do this. Come on. Come on, it's you can get it there. You can get it. Come on. Come on. Hmm. No, bro, I'm working, not in college. I do some, I have a job. Yeah, looking good so far. I don't know. Today we reversed here at this point. So not at all expected. Gold, look at this fire gold. It is a white, black, white, black, white, black. This should, it's going to be looking like a barcode there. We need to wait till this changes it off here, which is going to no spoil or RR if we enter here. So yeah, it's better to just stay away. On push it now. Okay, whatever happens, let it do its thing. Yeah, some of the trades. Yeah, we got a good replacement. In a minute, if you pay my pattern correlation here, it's looking good, but I don't check RTYIs. Oh, let's see. Okay, so okay, we got that loss. Not this loss. Yeah, what was this? This oversupply failed, demand failed. Yeah, demand. Oh, is this? Is this kind of what is this time? 10:30, 10:30, basically 10:30 candle. Never. These are the days. Like some days we get a straight TPs on single candle. Some days we get a straight SS on single candle. So yeah, these are the days. Okay. Oh, this next stage. Continuation with RTY. RTY is looking clean though. Try this out. Check 5 minute once. Yeah, we are in 5 minute. It's- Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, come on, buddy. Had a two small losses. Yeah, no better than good. Exactly. Piano, piano, bro. Barcode. If he scan, he'll definitely gonna get something there. He had this one stage here, one stage continuations with a strength switch and weaker assets switch the strength to strengths, and we are going to get this kind of pushes here. Going to go break even at this high, break even at this high. Let's see the projections where we are. Yeah, exactly to 2.5, 2 to 2. Okay, that's clean. In NQ, we might have missed this long setup in NQ because that this is some kind of rubbish change instead of delivery for me. Either even though it leaves you with a doubt whether we should enter or not, or else you're going to miss that entry on the next candle. Something like that. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe the channel, guys. I'm new here. Yeah, I used to stream long way before. I had no idea about GXT back then. So I started learning about GXT. I learned, I taught a lot of people. I taught a lot of, mentees of mine, and then started my own live stream. I don't know what success rate he's going to get here, but let's give it a try, I would say. Okay, 5 people watching. How many likes we got? 3 people watching. Where are you from, guys? 3 people. Where are you from? One of, I think Ankit is here still watching the live stream. One of the, uh, I think tattoo. Are you from Discord? Who used to text me daily? Like, Cement. His name is something Cement or anything, something like that in Discord. Are you from Discord, bro? Oh, welcome, G. Welcome, welcome. Love your support, your Instagram. I saw you like since I'm streaming actually. Sorry, since I'm streaming, you're like my regular viewer now. Let me let me give you moderator. Let's do that because I don't have moderator. Yes, sir. You're now moderator. Put a comment. Let me see. if if you're getting that moderator tag there. Let's see. Put anything like hi, hello, anything. Let me check if you have a moderator tag. Messaging KTC. I don't know. I message you. Bro, KTC guys banned me. Yeah, bro, you got the moderator tag. KTC guys banned me, bro. It's a long story. You know what? I requested those people to teach the GXT for free. Okay, requested those people to teach GXT for free, and they even they said you can teach it. So how would I alone do that? GXT is at least the people should have an idea of ICT to learn GXT. It's not at least, it's industry. You should know ICT to learn GXT. So a lot of people in that server don't know what's ICT. They know what's ICT, but they don't know how to trade ICT. So I thought I should start it from scratch. So I said them it will take a bit more time. So I need more time. So if any training sessions are going on, I need to check it out where they stop and if it's just a basic support resistance and all. So I will pick some students from there who are interested to learn ICT and then I'll start teaching them. So they said, yeah, you can talk to the person who is currently teaching. So I just texted that person. So he didn't even reply me. This happened. And after some days, I posted my live stream link in their channel. Okay. Most of them, actually, yeah, exactly. That's what I'm telling. So recently, I just look at that. As soon as I started controversy, people are just joining. So people love controversies because trading is a boring game. If you We all love controversies. We all grown looking at the controversies of ICT and a lot of people on internet, on Twitter, on YouTube, everywhere. IC, ICT without controversy. C in ICT is controversy. C stands for controversy in ICT. You know. Okay. So they said. So they said. They didn't even reply me. Recently, I just posted my live stream link in their Discord, and they said no promotion here. And when I said, and they always used to tell something like this, you are always welcome to share your knowledge, whatever you can share, everything, whatever helps the people out here. So, bro, what's wrong if I'm sharing my live stream link over there? Even that's helping the people. Even that's helping the people. No one is taking initiative, and no one. They pulled out 2K people. Okay, they pulled out Justin Verlin. That's again. I don't know exactly what's wrong with Justin Verlin, but I think that's again like marketing strategy. I personally do think that's a marketing strategy. Whatever he did recently, he posted a video, he deleted it. I think that's just to gain the attention because because recently we all IC traders we all been behind the GXT, Robbins Cup, Patrick, and some volume traders. I don't know exactly what's their name is, but all those people, we all been behind these people. So I think he did that for just to gain attention. That's what I personally. So yeah, so I just asked the owner of the server to take an initiative and do some to teach do some live stream at least because that owner over there got a lot shit ton of followers, bro. A lot of followers. That owner from that community got a lot of followers. And what's the feed? I saw that person's feed. You can't even check that person's feed. I don't know. I don't see anything regarding trading over there. The only thing I see there is what preference, CFD preference, and about high, low, lows, drawing on a board, and about psychology. They think that psychology alone is the thing we should be focusing on. So what I plus yeah, yeah, bro. Yeah. I, I'm not going to say anything. I don't know. Uh, I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna talk about their earnings or anything. It's none of my business. But when I said take initiative and do live streaming on the server, it might help people, and they got offended. They said like I'm not going to pull the people by showing my live executions or anything. So I said, bro, it's at least better than others influences out there. Other influences are just coming and you know posting some lifestyle shit and pulling the viewers. At least it's better than that. Even if you're taking losses on the live stream, it's better. You're legit. People can trust you. Right? In this week, I took uh, day before yesterday, one loss day before yesterday, and one break even. And today, I had two losses. So I've been transparent, everything, doing everything on the live stream here. That's what traders need right now. Anyone can come post online. I got a payout. I got this much of payout. I got that much of payout. Yeah, that might be the legit. That might be legit payouts. But if you are doing influencing or anything like that, then please be transparent. Please show the people what you're please doing. Everyone can do you know copy some signals and put that payout. But that's what I'm telling you guys. Like, be legit. Even though you're just 16 years old right now, okay? So even though the things will come into your mind when you grow up, at least like when you turn out 18, 20 or anything like that, the things will trigger your mind. Oh, why not? I should start some Instagram page or Twitter handle or YouTube channel to gain some attention socially. So even I'm telling you to be legit, whatever. Exactly, bro. That's what I'm telling you. I used to watch the live stream of Brainstorm. I think you guys have heard of him. He used to live stream on PM sessions. I used to watch that. Yeah, I used to watch the Brainstorm live streams. And bro, his live streams, even though I don't trade at all breaker blocks, I don't trade at all. I don't trade breaker blocks at all. GXT don't trade breaker blocks. Even though we don't trade breaker blocks, I used to watch it because that's what helps me to sit for a long time on the charts and no, that's what helps me to see how the legit people see the market, how they manage the trades, how they manage the risk. If I have a 50K account, how much am I risking per trade? How they are going to react suddenly? Even brainstorms used to have sudden losing streaks back to back. So how he used to manage. So all those things I learned it from him. He is a legit guy out there. So yeah, I asked the owner to do live stream, and they got offended. And I said, if you guys don't want to do it, if you guys don't want to do it for my people, for our people, then let me do it for them. So I started some other Discord that will be only for Kannada people from my native language. If any other guys are saying it, so even you guys can join it. Okay, so you guys can join it. You know, chill out there. But but don't blame me if you don't understand anything from general chat, because we are going to have some conversations in our native language. So we are having March mentorship, and we only open 15 slots in which I'm going to filter out and get some get 10 people accordingly can follow the rules. Exactly, bro. Exactly. So I'm going to open 10 slots, and we have a 15 responses, and I will be filtering out 10 slots because I don't know, as I'm doing it for free, I want the people who will respect it, who will value it, and attend all the things I'm explaining. That's the reason I'm filtering out 10 people out of 15. 15, I think we got 16 responses. So I just checked it before the live stream. So we have 16 responses. We had this talk this morning, and you know, we're going to start it from March 1st. Yeah, bro, thanks. But the problem is how dedicated the people will be. That's a problem. And I clearly mentioned in the form that if you're not dedicated, because I'm living the source which is very difficult to get. You might have you might have noticed that there is no one, literally no one in Kannada industry or anything, Kannada trading industry who will teach you the GXT right now. I never saw a Kannada trader teaching GXT. There might be some SMC people, but I'm talking about GXT. GXT is totally different than SMC. The way of looking the market is a bit different when it comes to SMC. Let me leave my link tree here so that you guys can join Kannada community. Let me give it a minute. Minute. Yeah, yeah. Check that link tree. Yes, bro, exactly. That's the reason I approached them that I'll teach. I taught a lot of people. I taught 4 to 5, not 4 to 5, more than that. So exactly, bro. Shift to futures. Futures is like crazy thing going on in futures. If you know how to pass account in 1 month, then you are welcome to futures. You're welcome to futures. You can make a shit ton of money in futures if you know how to pass account in 1 month. And obviously you should know at least that how to pass account in 1 month. Know at least that. So bro, I don't know. I can't. I'm not gonna do any face reveal or anything right now because I want people to recognize me from what I do. So I don't have any plans on that. A lot of people didn't even see me. There are some people who met me personally from the server itself. Those people saw me when they came personally. We had a talk, we had a meet. So those people saw me, but I don't know about others. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If if any of those people can't do it, let me do that then. So I started a new Discord. So people joined there. Some of the people from that Discord joined there, filled a form, and they are interested in mentorship. So definitely, I'll make sure that I'm delivering what I know, everything, every bit of it. No gatekeeping. Yeah, I used to charge $300 for this shit, bro. Not gonna lie, I used to charge $300 to teach foreigners and NRIs. Okay, because Indian people, it's a bit difficult because dollar price is little bit higher. It feels like a little bit higher for Indians. So I used to charge half of it, or I used to give two times plate for Indians, but I never taught Indian. One or two people I taught, but I didn't take money from them. Yeah, not yet. I not yet taken money from them. So, so they said, leaders and crazy things. Yeah, bro, exactly. Yeah, we are planning. We have everything, bro. We have a event management team. We have marketing team. We have everything. We are setting up everything going on. And once I just want to finish this batch, March batch. Once I finish this March batch, we have a lot of plans. A lot of plans. So we are going to make sure every each of them getting payouts. Like if I'm training 10 people, at least I have to see 8 people getting payouts from the, pro firms. And then we'll have meetups, we'll have trips. Bro, one of my community owner has his own travel agency going on, and one of my close trading friends has his event management marketing teams. We have everything, bro. The only thing is, I was, yeah, I was targeting for a global audience. Like I have my another server, IX3 Inbox Edge community. I used to target for global audience or people out there. I never had this clue that you have to go with our people first, because I thought that uh, the people from my place are not into trading. They're not into trading, so I thought, okay, let it be. Let me reach out other people. So I have a people from North India. I have a people from UK. I have people from Canada. I have people from Australia. My server. We used to chill out, like we used to play Valorant, honestly. Better margin. See, didn't saw this type of vibe from any other Canada guys, bro. Bro, people even don't had clue that I am Kannadiga. Always they always used to think whether either I am from some north guy or I'm from some outside country person. I don't know why, but when I used to talk Kannada, then they used to think, oh, this is from our, our people. I like our side. But I don't know much Kannada. I know Kannada. My mother tongue is Kannada, but I don't know Bangalore Kannada, I would say. I'm from North Kannada. So, North Canada. So North Canada and South Canada, there's a lot of difference, bro. There's a lot of difference. So it's a bit difficult for me to talk in Canada. So you discount profile before you would check that. Look at this. That's all you see. Right? You are my friend list before we are you saw me in KTC? I don't know, bro. Did we talk before? I think we did. No, no, no. We haven't. So one of my bro, let me just share his Discord server. If any of you guys uh, want to join and learn Indian equity, okay. If you guys want to join and learn Indian equity, I have my own brother's server. He trades only Indian equity, swing trading. Okay, so swing trading. You guys can join there as well. Let me just share it on a live stream, and I'll pin it. You are from Pune. A lot of people don't even now they don't have any idea I'm from Pune. So yes, please please check this out, guys. Please check this Discord server. This is my own brother's Discord server. He only does Indian swing, Indian market swings. So yeah, he has his own server. So guys can check it out if you are interested. That's the thing, bro. Like, hmm. Ah, for watching. Thank you so much. Long trade, bro. Usually 12 before 11. Yeah, happy Friday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We all grind, bro. We don't say it like we have some schedules. If you plan anything, like if you plan we are going to do VC today, we're definitely going to do VC. I think he might be doing some stock scans or he might be, yeah, it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. He does that in weekends. Might be doing some stuff. No, I'm not doing any VC. I had VC today morning with my Discord members. So we decided timings and everything for March mentorship. We are going to have an announcement soon. Yeah. I think I might create a WhatsApp group for March mentorship people because I literally, know people personally and will start teaching them not their personal things, but I become that much close to them. 80 level quality. Come on, bro. Okay, what's the time? 11. This is not actually a good time to hold this trade. Get a cold, stop us out, and then start pushing higher. What mistake did we did? Indices is chopping around. Okay, so indices, we just tapped that 4 hour order block thing here, and then they just dropping. I don't like this, bro. Like, whatever, just close the position. Not a good day for me today. Look at this. Even oil stopped us out and then started pushing. Why this happened? Gold, we got a good plan in gold. It's okay. It's okay. These are the days. Elon. Yeah, I got it. I got a bro like very minimal loss for today. That's good. I'm not going to hold after 11. So, like, okay, that's good. Not a best day, but day to be there to teach us something. That's it for today, guys. Not a best day for me. I had two losses, one very minimal loss. Like, can say not a best day, but yeah, we had a back-to-back wins all week. So taking losses here and there is okay. It's fine, guys. So make sure to subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Trade safe, and see you guys next week. Uh, yeah, take care. Bye. Peace.